Hello and Namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal, and the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections just around the corner. Political heat is rising and so is controversies. Actor turned politician Vijay, who leads the party Tamiraga Vetri Karagam, is now facing a police case over his recent campaign rally in Chennai. Let's break it down. The Chennai police has filed a case against Vijay after his campaign events in Perambur reportedly crossed several election rules. According to officials, the complaint was filed by a flying squad officer and it mentions multiple violations during the rally. The allegations include use of a large number of loudspeakers beyond the permitted limit, huge crowd turnout, reportedly over 5,000 people, traffic disruption affecting the public, and more serious, an ambulance allegedly getting blocked due to the crowd. These actions are said to be against the Model Code of Conduct, which is strictly followed during elections. Now, here's where things get more intense. Vijay had addressed massive crowds in Perambur and later moved to Kolattur, an important constituency where Chief Minister M.K. Stalin is contesting again. Visual from Kolattur showed people surrounding his campaign vehicle from all sides, creating a tense and uncontrolled situation. Because of this, Vijay had to cut short his speech and even cancel another planned meeting in Vilivakkam, citing lack of proper security. Vijay's party has pushed back strongly. They have returned to the chief electoral officer, Archana Patnaik, raising serious concerns about safety arrangements. The party claims there was no proper police presence, traffic management was missing, and overall the situation was risky for both the public and the campaign team. They also hinted at possible unfair treatment during the election process. Another important point, this incident has brought back memories of a tragic stampede in Karur during Vijay's early rally, where many lives were lost. Because of that past incident, the party says proper arrangements are extremely important this time, and they believe authorities failed to provide that. So now, just days before the big political battle intensifies, Vijay finds himself in a tough spot, facing legal action on one side and raising safety concerns on the other. Will this controversy impact his campaign momentum, or will it turn into political sympathy? That's something to watch closely as Tamil Nadu heads into a crucial election phase. Stay tuned with KTV India for more updates as the story develops.